Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Friday. May 25th, 2018. Before you even get started, I want to put out a little warning to the bears out here. This morning, stocks are lower. Yes, they are lower. Not by much, but they are lower. I do not believe, and I've been covering this at length, they are going to allow the market to fall. As I am doing this video blog, it is 6:56 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. They are in there buying bonds again, propping up that bond market, making sure rates stay suppressed so cash goes into the stock market. My suggestion is, don't fight this. Embrace it instead. I have no open trades right now. I am going to wait. I'm going to sit here and wait. And maybe I won't trade at all today. I mean, you don't have to constantly 100% of the time be in this market. You put your cash to work when you have the best chance of seeing a profit, period. It's that simple. So this shouldn't sound like rocket science to you, but my suggestion would be this might be a trap here for bears. So let the market bleed off while they prop up that bond market. If you don't believe they're propping up the bond market, please go have a look. Link in the description of this video, underneath the chat room. I mean, they're buying up these bonds again. It's incredible. We've seen a substantial move here with regard to the 10-year yield. I mean, we're talking just a few days ago, it was 3.11. Now we're at 2.94 or something like that. 2. I mean, that's a huge move in a matter of a very short period of time. Do you have any idea of how much cash would have to be moving into the bond market to cause a move like that? It's supernatural, literally. We know who's doing this. It's in our face. Let me say this real quick. Whenever you see a rally in the bond market and the stock market simultaneously, you're seeing rigging. It's not normal. It's either a risk on or a risk off. Risk on, cash moves into stocks. Risk off moves into the bond market. When you see the bond market getting propped up, like right now, and then stocks move up, well, then you know what's going on here. They're using the bond market to prop up the stock market. Nobody bats an eye. No one wants to look at it again. It goes back to, it's either, look, I don't know what it is. It's either we have the most inept people in the history of the world, which is probably true, because I do believe that the human population continues to lose IQ points every single day. That's the truth. There's some kind of a, obviously, it's an engineered dumbing down of the population. I mean, it's just frankly unbelievable, but it's the truth. So we got people getting stupider or kept stupid while, so they can be manipulated and like an animal, like a dog. You tell it what to do. That's what they're doing here. They're making sure people keep them stupid and keep them under control. This is how, unfortunately, the few have ruled the many for a long time, but it's just getting to a point of absolute ridiculousness. We're going to have a bunch of, I don't even know, lemmings. I think we already do, walking around through time and space without even the slightest clue as to what they're doing, who they are. It's gotten to that point. It's really the truth here. All right, so let's go back. They're propping up those bonds. I think it might be a bear trap here. Look for cash to start moving back into the stock market, maybe even as early as today, or maybe as I'm doing this video. I don't even know what's going on over there. I'm doing this. So I might put some cash to work here on the long end. Dollar is getting stronger. A little bit of a fly in the ointment there. Metals are under pressure. Cryptocurrencies are kind of mixed. Some are higher, some are lower. I just looked at it. Bitcoin is under some pressure. Ethereum is higher. I happen to really like Ethereum. I think most of you know that. All right. So with that said, let's keep our eye on all this, this charade that continues to go on, and we will sum this up at the end of this, I am certain, very lovely day.